If you are not able to receive call in your iPhone 16 phone, then let us see how to fix the issue. The first thing that you will do is, if you have a physical SIM in your iPhone, then remove the SIM card, clean it with a soft cloth, reinsert the SIM card, and then restart the phone. So once you have done this one, then let us see what step can be done next. If you are not able to receive calls from a particular contact only, then what you do is go to settings, scroll down and go to apps, go to this option phone, and here there is an option blocked contacts. Make sure that the person who is trying to call you, his or her phone number is not included in the blocked contact. If it is included, then what you do is tap on edit, then tap on this minus icon and remove the contact phone number from the blocked list. After that, go back to this phone settings, and there is an option here, silence unknown callers. Tap on it and make sure that it is not enabled. If you have enabled this option, then only those contacts whose phone number are saved in your iPhone, they will be able to make a call. Rest of the contact, they won't be able to call you. After that, again go back to this phone settings, and there is an option here, call forwarding. Open it and make sure that this option call forwarding is also not enabled. If you enable this one, then the phone will go to the other number which you have used for call forwarding. Again go back to this phone settings, and if I go at the top here, there is an option here, announce calls. Tap on it and select always. Some of the users, they have corrected the issue by selecting this option always for announce calls. Now after you have done this much, open the control center and make sure that this focus mode as well as this airplane mode is also turned off. Now the last thing that we will do is, you will go to settings here, go to general, you have to go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, select reset, and then you have to select this option reset network settings. Now you need to enter the passcode of your iPhone. So this will reset the settings related to the cellular network, mobile data, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So the password of the Wi-Fi will be removed and you have to again re-enter the password. Once you have done all of these things, hopefully the issue should be corrected. If the issue still persists, then it might be the problem with the SIM card, or it might be problem from the cellular network side. So in that case, you have to contact with the cellular network provider. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment in the box below if you found the video helpful.